Again, this is from VIP Wisher. She sent these beautiful, beautiful shoes that I'm wearing right now. Mickey? Oh, Gucci!
Oh, never mind then. This is not what I'm talking about.
Oh, yay, my furries!
Hold up.
By the way, you see someone talking in the background. That's my friend, Sai. Subscribe to his channel.
Thank you. I need to make more good videos. Oh! Never mind.
This gift is from A-Rod. Oh, and another Flamingo hair.
Oh my God, Polly.
Fa-
Leonardo, with me, please.
Sure. Famous girl.
Yay.
Y'all shoot at me.
Then my fans can see you.
The fuck, I'm wearing that fucking.
Oh, come on, stupid. Wow. I'm gonna do Polly, you wanna go to a chat room? Invite me.
Wait, and I envy you? Shit.
Yes, why?
Alright.
You not wanna go to IMVU?
I do, but hold up.
Hey, you know what? Tomorrow we're having cupcake. Ow.
Miss Marlin says.
Yes, why? How do you know?
Pretty much we did that, well, last year. Now I know. Plus, she did say that she's gonna do cupcakes for all the birthdays.
That's what I heard. Yeah, what's your birthday? Wait, by the way, did you eat your birthday cupcake, by the way?
Yep.
Alright, good.
Oh shit, guys. This gift was from Lazy Queen. Shoe, I guess. Hardcore / whiskey. Another one from VIP Wisher 29. Guys, please friend her. She's so sweet, so nice. And she's getting free. Friend her. Oh my gosh, I got some bread.
Today we're playing IMVU. So whoever wants to join me, they may.
Sparkle Princess. Where is? Oh my
How
God.
the freak are you freaking doing? You know you can do it on the school computer too, right? Instead of doing it on your home computer.
Shit. I know. Are those my earrings? This is from Jay, baby. She's one of my friends in this game, so
And
friend
by the
her.
way, guys, I have notifications on for any new gaming videos we do, NFC or IBU, or better yet, Abacan Life. One of these days I will be doing an Abacan Life video, so be sure to stay tuned.
One sec. Yes, guys, I do have Facebook. No, you cannot add me because I don't want you guys to add me. Sorry, guys, but you know.
Why? You're harsh.
JK, I'm kidding. You can, but guys, please not text me all at once. I freaking I will not know who the fuck to talk to. No, I'm not kidding. Hi, Ian. Not gonna start anything for me? Thank you. Why are you talking to her? Thank you. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Back to the video. Sorry guys. I enjoy Ari. Let's see where she. Guys, also friend her. Fuck.
What'd you forget now?
Okay, I gotta keep this YouTube friendly because I figure out some kids watch my channel.
You're dumb.
Shut up. Shut up. Y'all did this on the first freaking. Alright. Sorry guys, let's go back to where we were. Oh my god. God.
Why are you looking at me?
Okay, I'm back to the video. Yeah, but I didn't know it was.
Why
Oh,
is
okay.
YouTube not working for me?
Just art again. Let's see what she said. Hottie girl. Let's see what she said. Oh my gosh, yay. Guys, this is legit. Part 2. You guys gonna see part 3 probably later on. Another flamingo here. Oh my goodness. I had like 1, 3 or 4? Probably. Right. If I haven't said your user's name, sorry.
I'm just ignoring the damn dog. I'm just ignoring her. Not put the letter out or anything. Like for real. Like she wants to pick on run around and act stupid all the time. Oh, you know what? You're gonna get locked up for today. Don't stop. I swear it doesn't even work.
I'm wearing like 2 bows in my head. And a bubble gum. A Black Star 2007. Friend her. Friend her again. A king of anime. This is when me are friends. Sort of.
What?
I remember so much random shit, I swear. Oh, this is from I love pink and purple. I'm almost legit wearing all black. Almost. Okay, now from Give Me Please. Excuse me, sorry. Oh my God.
You know what? I'm gonna go get my other phone.
Okay. Oh, I love this one. It's Jackson. Oh, thank you. Pretty girl, LL. Thank you. One, we did a hell of a good start. Miami Lola. Scent. Cap. These sneakers. Rapper. Sanders. I'm glad. My goodness.
Well, you glad that I'm gone?
Oh my God, are you back?
No, that's good.
Poor Chalex. This is from Moon. Aston. It's from her. Sorry, girl. From my sister on MSP. I am cute. Let's see what she said.
Oh, you ready?
So much love from my sister.
Hola! Stop out of the video. Wait. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Invite me somewhere and then we can chat.
Okay. VIP with shirt. Oh my God, I am like. Why do I look hella weird? Oh shit.
Hey guys.
This is from Famous
And
Friend.
I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be doing some IMVU. There's my friend Paula here. She's recording as well. So, hope you guys enjoy. And hopefully we don't get into any drama. I'm talking to you, Paulie. And yeah, hopefully. So enjoy. Have fun. Paula, hurry up.
Dude, I'm on.
Invite me somewhere, damn it.
Don't scare me. Don't scare me away. It's my fucking birthday, okay?
Sorry. Let's hurry up, please.